Tvidler Pro Earwax Remover claims to provide a safe and effective alternative to traditional ear cleaning methods like cotton swabs. It features a patented design with a soft silicone tip for gentle cleaning and is marketed as a sustainable, reusable solution. However, there are many concerns about this product. One of the primary concerns with the Tvidler Pro is safety. While the product is designed to be safer than cotton swabs, it is not classified as medical equipment. Users may still face risks if they do not follow the instructions properly, which could lead to injuries or infections. Secondly, the marketing for Tvidler Pro includes excessive claims about its effectiveness in removing earwax. Many users report that the product does not perform as advertised, leaving them disappointed and questioning its legitimacy. Also, Tvidler Pro has a low rating of 3 out of 5 stars on Amazon, which raises concerns about its overall effectiveness and customer satisfaction. This rating suggests that many users have had negative experiences, which could indicate a lack of reliability in the product's performance. Many users have expressed dissatisfaction with the Tvidler Pro, with some stating that it was money down the drain or a waste of resources. These negative reviews highlight a pattern of disappointment among customers, further questioning the product's legitimacy and effectiveness. In conclusion, while the Tvidler Pro Ear Wax Remover presents itself as a safe and innovative solution for ear cleaning, several red flags suggest that buyers should proceed with caution. Safety risks, excessive claims, low ratings, and negative user experiences all contribute to a growing suspicion about this product's legitimacy. Subscribe for more reviews and informative content.